Evo One is our all-in-one wireless streaming speaker, bringing room-filling sound to any space from one easy-to-use system. I'll show you just how simple it is to set up and start playing your favourite music. In the box, you'll find Evo One, a power cable, paperwork, including a welcome letter, and a remote control with batteries included. Let's get it powered up. All you need to get started is the power cable. Once it's on, download our StreamMagic app from the Apple App Store or Google Play. The app will guide you through setup, including connecting to your Wi-Fi network. If you prefer a wired connection, there's an Ethernet port on the back. This can give you a more stable connection than Wi-Fi, especially if your router is close by or your wireless signal isn't strong. Inputs are also available for a turntable, CD player, and TV via eARC connection. Just power the unit off before connecting them. Now you're ready for music. The remote controls power, playback, volume source selection, and display brightness. For now, we'll use the StreamMagic app. Download the latest firmware from your device settings so you can enjoy our newest features. The library tab lists streaming services including Tidal, Qobuz, and Deezer. Log in once and you're set. Just choose your service, find an artist, and press play. Evo One also supports Spotify Connect, Tidal Connect, Amazon Music, Apple AirPlay 2, Chromecast built-in.
And now featuring Qobuz Connect.
Internet radio is available under the Radio tab. Use the search bar to find stations and save them to your presets in seconds. Press the eye on the front of your Evo to cycle through different display options, including our signature VU meters. There's a product registration card in the box, or you can register online. It only takes a minute, gives you access to exclusive offers, and makes support easier if ever you need it. And that's it, you're ready to play. Happy listening, and check out our Evo One videos to learn more.